Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan dabbled in various roles, right from a philosopher to the President of India. But people remember him majorly for his contribution as a teacher. He is acclaimed for dedicating his life to the field of education and improving the standards. Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my privilege if 5th of September is observed as Teachers' Day. He said these lines in 1962. Since then, Teachers' Day is celebrated across the country on his birthday, that is 5th of September. And I would like to take this moment to thank all the teachers who have been in my life. I don't just mean my school and my college teachers, but also my online teachers from whom I have learned. Thanks for adding value to my life and motivating me every time I am down. A recipient of Bharat Ratna, this man, Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai, stands at the top when it comes to impeccable contribution to the field of education. He has definitely been an inspiration to many aspiring minds, and today I want to share my top 5 learnings from that big man. Number 1. Knowledge gives us power and love gives us fullness. Knowledge is a state of understanding and awareness. It refers to the facts and information obtained, the wisdom acquired through learning, life experiences and skill enhancement. Knowledge gives one the power to mobilize in the right direction. It is a broad concept with no possible ending. Acquiring knowledge includes steps like communication, logic, perception and cognitive processes. Today's world requires the power of knowledge and education. Thus the statement pen is mightier than sword is actually true, because knowledge gives a man more power than a sword could give him. More knowledge one acquires, the more powerful he or she becomes. But half knowledge is always dangerous, and love is what gives knowledge its fullness. People often talk about love, but most of us are not aware about its true importance. Love is not about being possessive. It's not like any other material thing that can be demanded from other people. Love is a feeling of well-being and good emotions. It is an activity that keeps us in good spirit. It is a divine energy and a reason to always be happy. You may have all the knowledge of the world, but if you don't have the wisdom to differentiate between the good and the bad, then my dear friend, you are in a deep danger. Number 2. Teachers should be the best minds in the country. Teachers are definitely a gift of God to us. They are the ones who build a great nation and they make the world a better place. They are much respected by everyone, as they are the ones who improve the living standards of people. They are like the building blocks of a nation who educate people and make them civilized. Growing up, our parents and our teachers are the first ones to impact our lives. In fact, in the younger years, students have complete faith in their teachers and they listen to their teachers more than their parents. This shows the significance and impact of a teacher. When we enter college, our teachers become our friends and some even become our role models. They inspire us to do great things in life. They knowingly or unknowingly teach us important life lessons. A teacher does not only stick to the role of a teacher, they adapt themselves to various roles when the situation arises. They become our friends when we are sad. They take care of us like our parents when we are hurt. A student is like a mud clay and a good teacher is like a potter who shapes the mud in a perfect way to get the desired result. Thus, Dr. Radhakrishnan says that teachers should be the best minds in the country, as they are the ones who create the future of our students. And the future of this great country is in the hands of our students. Number 3. A life of joy and happiness is only possible on the basis of knowledge and science. Knowledge can be used for both positive as well as negative purposes. Thus, knowledge can create or destroy a person. The negative use of man's knowledge has unfortunately given him weapons of mass destruction. Incidents like the world wars are the examples of global events that destroyed the world peace. But the positive use of this same knowledge has helped him to go from ancient African caves to the modern outer space. The 20th century is a science age. Modern science has definitely discovered various wonders. It has definitely brought very far-changing reaches in our everyday life. It has enlarged human comforts and given man the power he couldn't have even imagined about. It has given us artificial wings to fly. Knowingly or unknowingly, our everyday life is composed of science. We should definitely agree with the fact that science has definitely made our life more comfortable and easier. It is nothing but a systematic way of living and knowledge. Man's behavior of alertness and keen observation of changes in the natural happenings has given birth to science and scientific study. And the various inventions of science is what makes our life more easy and happy. Number 4. When we think we know, we cease to learn. Most people associate learning with formal education at school, college or university, etc. We all are told from a very young age that we all should get good education. Generally speaking, it is important that a formal education and resulting degrees are very much essential. Formal education may maximize our potential to find better and more satisfying jobs, to earn more and perhaps become more successful in our chosen career. However, schooling is only a type of learning. There are many other opportunities to further your learning and to develop the skills that you need throughout your your life. Knowledge can be acquired and skill sets can be developed from anywhere. However, lifelong learning is about creating and maintaining a positive attitude to learning for both personal and professional development. Never ever think that you are an expert and you have complete knowledge about anything. The day you develop this thought is the day you stop learning, and this hinders your growth. Lifelong learners are motivated to learn and grow because they want to. Lifelong learning can enhance the understanding of the world around us, provide us with more and better opportunities, and improve the quality of our life. Number 5. The worst sinner has a future. Even the greatest saint has had a past. No one is as good or bad as he or she imagines. Things and deeds we did in the past are now to give us fruit in the present and also in the future. And our present, which is going to be our past, will give us its fruit in the future. The topics to look to the future, or one must study from the past, revolves in the region of past, present and future of all mankind. It covers the whole story of the human race. You might be struggling with your life now, be it education, business, job, personal or professional interests, but your current struggles are eventually going to develop as your greatest strengths in the future. You might feel a lot motivated after looking at people who are extremely successful in today's times, but by looking at their past, you would realize that their life was a long list of failures. After failing for multiple times, after learning from their mistakes, and after careful implementation of their knowledge, they were able to make it to the place where they are today. A bright future does not necessarily require a bright past. Today is tough, but if you are going to put in the required amount of effort, tomorrow will definitely be brighter for you. It is just a matter of patience. That's all I have for this video. Those were my top 5 learnings from Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I take this privilege to wish all the teachers and all the mentors across the country a happy Teachers' Day. I was blessed with so many amazing teachers in my life who have not just given me academic values, but have also given me the values of life, which helped me to become a better person. I pray for your success and well-being always, and shower immense love and respect today and always. Thank you.